Yeah. Soap everywhere.
Yeah, soap everywhere. Oh, one tiny bubble on my window.
Look.
It's coming again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
Look in the back, Esther. It's coming again.
Yeah.
I think. No, it stopped. Now water time.
Now what this time?
See that, Ashley?
Are those a blow dryer or water?
Water, I think. That
Blow
one's
dryer?
water.
It's so breezy. The water's still coming down there.
Look at G.
Is it coming close? Is it coming?
Yeah. Oh no. Nope.
No, it's not coming. Oh yeah, it's coming. Blow dryer.
Still tired now.
So is up there. What? Look, rainbow.
Wow.
Colored soap. Cool.
It's has cherry. Look, Dad, it's mixed up. Daddy, look.
Oh, yeah.
That you get me, rainbow.
Looks so awesome. Please don't wash it off. Aw. At least it's still there a little.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still here. Don't leave me.
Don't
Stay with me. Stay with me.
stay with me.
Yeah, it stayed with me.
Not me.
Those blower dryers or those are water. I don't see very good.
And so many things.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do that again?
That's the water.
Hey, look at this one, it's still going. Look, Daddy. Daddy, look.
A new
It's
real price.
still
Visit us
going.
online at cityfurniturecanada.com.
Look, Daddy, it's
City
still
Furniture
going.
and Appliances, 700 3rd Avenue West in beautiful Prince Rupert.
Beautiful.
Spending a night away from home can
Rupert.
be costly and
Oh,
even
another one?
uncomfortable. Stay at the Capri Motor Inn
Rainbow?
and we'll make sure you're comfortable.
Spot-free rinse.
Stay more often. Use our frequent gifts rewards card and get 50% off your bill.
Spot three rinse.
Dirty on the inside yet.
Kitchen or suite. Made for one
What's the last one? What's the last one?
Laser dry.
Smithers. The more you you stay, the more you
Laser
save.
drive.
1-800-663-3120.
The Polaris season of total terrain domination is here. Get huge limited time offers now at Trails Northeast.
Is it drying like Ashley?
It's going slow, so it's gonna dry. It's by your window now. Your room, your eyes are so small. He's not doing this side. Now come. Hey, no.
Ugh.